Wake up, Jarvis.
Good morning, sir. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Play My Queen on YouTube.
Playing my queen on YouTube.
So you can see इसने हमारा song जो है भी play कर दिया, okay? Turn volume up.
Turning volume up, sir.
Okay. Close one tab.
All tabs closed.
Okay. Jarvis, remember that I have to code at 6 p.m. What do you remember?
You told me to remember that I have to code at 6 o'clock.
Get me the latest news.
Which field news do you want? Business, health, technology, sports, entertainment, science.
I want science news. Okay, so it has shown the error because we have to enter the API keys here. Okay, you can just create the news API and you can just enter the API key here. Okay, in these double quotes. Okay, calculate 50 plus 50.
The value is not answerable.
Okay, so why it has shown that value is not answerable? Let me tell you, because we have not given here the Wolfram Alpha API key. Jarvis, I want to send a message on WhatsApp.
Whom do you want to send a message? What's the message?
Okay, so in 90 seconds, WhatsApp will be opened and after 15 seconds, message will be delivered. Okay, change password.
What's the new password? Your new password is Hivam.
Jarvis, schedule my day.
Do you want to clear old tasks? Please speak yes or no.
Yes, I want to clear all the old tasks. 3 tasks, okay? Jarvis, show my schedule. You can see it has shown all of your schedule. Play a game.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
How are you, Jarvis?
Perfect, sir.
Hello, Jarvis.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Jarvis, I'm tired now.
Playing your favorite songs, sir.
YouTube and you can see it is playing the song, okay? What is the time, Jarvis?
Sir, the time is 11:09.
What is the temperature in Delhi?
Current temperature in Delhi is 34 degrees Celsius.
Open Notepad. Open Paint. Open Microsoft Word. Open Facebook.com. Go to sleep, Jarvis.
Okay, sir. You can call me anytime.
Okay, so these all are the functions of our Jarvis. You can use this project for your college, and if you want the source code, then please comment, or you can just directly drop message to me over Instagram or WhatsApp. And guys, please don't forget to follow us.